Hey, pretty people. Thanks for stopping by from house to home. I love having you here. So, whatever time you're viewing this, whether it be morning, afternoon, evening, or nighttime, I hope you're having a fabulous one. I want to say a huge shout out to my subscribers. Thank you for always showing up. Alright, and if you're new here and you like this kind of content, make it official. Hit the subscribe button, and while you're at it, hit the like button as well, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any future uploads. Thank you. In this week's episode, as you can see here, we are laying blocks. Well, the workmen, I'm not doing anything, I'm just the video person. So they are laying the blocks on the ground floor, and the aim is to get this up to floor level. So when we're doing the decking, when we're pouring the concrete for the decking, this area is going to be cast as well. All right, so the last time I was here, I spoke about us that we were behind on schedule, but we are somewhat back on track now. So we're just trying to get this blocked up so we can have it backfilled, so that it can be compacted in time for when we're going to be doing the decking, say maybe about 2 weeks or so from now. All right, so as you can see here, the front of the building now is now up, and what they have to do left is to pour the concrete for the columns, and they're going to be defining the rooms. So they're going to be sectioning off the rooms and the bathrooms and all of that. So that is what as you can see, this is what occurred over the last 2 weeks. So as we go further in the video, you'll see the updated progress. You said never let me go. 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 You said and we have the stuff all in the building now. So all that is left for this now to do is to be leveled out and compacted, And I am so glad and I am so appreciative of the fact that we didn't have to buy any dump. So all this, the big heap that was here is now inside there, and it could take a little bit more. So all of this area took a lot of dump, and I am so happy that I didn't have to buy it, because I know that this stuff can be expensive. So I am so happy for that.
You said never let me go. 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 You said
Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you have gotten this far into the video, you are a real one. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And if you haven't yet subscribed, before you leave, what you waiting on? Go ahead, subscribe, like, and turn on your post notification. And remember, whatever your mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
You said never let me go.